In this short video, I will be showing you how to upload sales receipts to your QuickBooks account. First, go to your Add-ons tab in your Google spreadsheet and then select the G-Accon for QuickBooks. Then in the menu option, scroll down and select Design Accounting Reports. From there, select the object, Sales Receipts. Then proceed to select all attributes. In our example, we will be selecting a date range. December 2020, to December 31st of 2020. For convenience purposes, select the Change Column Order icon. Then, find the Sale Receipts ID and drag it to the first position. This will allow you to see this field in column A. Lastly, click the red button on the bottom right, Execute. At this point on your screen, you should be able to see all of your sales receipts. Now, we are going to prepare the data which we will upload from your Google Sheets to your QuickBooks account. For this purpose, we will copy and paste 5 rows. We will delete the Sale Receipts ID as these IDs will be generated through the API call. Next, go to your add-ons and under the G-Accon for QuickBooks, select the Uploading Accounting Data menu option. Under row selection mode, you will have the ability to select all rows, new rows, currently selected rows, etc. Because we have selected these 5 rows, we can choose currently selected rows under the row selection mode. Be sure that the object you select under Select QuickBooks Object is Sales Receipts, and that the operation is Insert. If you want to update, void, or delete your sales receipts, you need to create a separate template. Check that the address of the first table header cell is correct, and in our case, it is A2. The result column of your upload will be in column CF. Then click the refresh icon, which will automatically map your column headers in your spreadsheets to fields in QuickBooks. After you verify the mapping, you will click on the red button on the bottom right of your screen. Execute and save template. Please note that the mandatory fields will have a red asterisk. At this point, the application will be uploading your data to QuickBooks. The result can be viewed in these 5 columns. You will also have the ability to click on the deep link, which will take you to the QuickBooks Sales Receipts screen. At this point, you are now ready to upload your sale receipts in bulk. Select the G-Accon for QuickBooks in your Add-ons tab and choose Update, Modify, Delete Templates. Now double-click on Sale Receipts, Upload Templates, and select all or new rows under row selection mode and proceed to save your template. At this point, your template is ready to be executed manually by clicking on Upload to QuickBooks based on template for current sheets, or automatically by creating workflow. To create automatic workflows, select Create Workflow. To see details on how to do this, please check out our How to Create Automatic Workflows video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep up with our new and upcoming videos.